Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Sihle webhakaniya. Uthini ngomdlalo namhlanje?
All in all, I'm not happy. Obviously, Chiefs vele hayi dalidliwa so sifike la vele sithi hayi sizoyidla nathi. But today ayivuma first half vele hayi shem bengekho into besiyenza. Ngibonile ukuthi hayi shem. And then second half we only pulled up our socks when Chiefs scored. Then we realized we might lose the league. But still the time that we had was not enough. And yeah.
Are you still hopeful to win the league?
Maybe because I think Njoba is Sundowns idliwe namhlanje kwi-0-0. So we are still a bit, there's still hope, but hopefully yes, singawina ngaleyo point nyana.
No, thank you, Bhakaniya. Otherwise, 6 May, Kaizer Chiefs versus Mamelodi Sundowns. Support abantu lapho.
Dude, that is a tough one. Hey, because I'm here so favela abantu mara season team. Hey, Sundowns.
Your favor bona laba. Sundowns. Bona laba.
Hi, Kai, your family Sundowns.
Siyabonga. Siyabonga Bhakaniya. All right.